The present continuous. What does it consist of? It consists of the subject, I, we, they, you, he, she, it, the pronouns, plus the verb to be, am, is, are, plus verb ing. I am playing football. We are playing football. They are playing football. You are playing football. He is playing football. She is playing football. It is working well. Remember, we have some shortcuts here in the pronunciation, so when we say there, that equal to they are. Equal to I am. He's equal to he is or he has. She's equal to she is or she has. It's equal to it is or it has. You're equal to you are, and we're equal to we are. When to use he is or he has? When if you would probably use he is or he has individually in the sentences, not he's. So do not use the shortcut, just in your conversation. But how would I differentiate between if he said he has or he is? Well, simply note, if he told you he is a good man or he's a good man, so he's mentioning here that he is. But if he says he's 3 cars, so he's talking about possessions, to own something. So to own something, actually we use has. So if he told you he's 3 cars, that means he says he has 3 cars. And so on with the rest of the pronouns, she's and its. We use the present continuous to say that something is happening now, at this very moment. It can also be used to show that something is not happening now. So for something that is happening now, for example, please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work, so he's trying to work now. Also, you could say, hey, let's play together. I really am not in the mood for playing right now. So he's not ready to play now. That something is not happening now. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. Where is Mark? He is having a shower. Not he has a shower. He's having a shower means that he is actually now in the bathroom taking his shower. We also use the present continuous that the action is not necessarily happening at the time of speaking. Kate wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. But perhaps she's not learning Italian at the time of speaking. She's not learning Italian now. She could learn Italian today and also tomorrow and so on. You can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year, this month, period around now. The company that I work for isn't doing so well this year. So from the beginning of the year till now, it's not doing well. It's continuous to not doing well. Sometimes speakers use the present continuous to indicate that something will or will not happen in the near future. Like, are you going with me tomorrow evening to the movies? So tomorrow actually is a future. So and you're asking your friend to go with you to make something happen tomorrow. It could happen. It also not could happen. If your friend says, yes, I'm going with you tomorrow, that means that he's going to make this happen. But if he says, I'm not going with you tomorrow, so it will not happen because he's not going with you tomorrow. Is he visiting his parents next weekend? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Thank you for listening to this video. If you have any question, please put it below.